What the fuck is going on here? You want to add some distortion to your voice and you want to sound like this. You talk loud, but you know too big now, big lies, you just explode, still but stood to. And the rain keeps falling down, washing whispers of this sound. Let the music play, rock and roll till the break of the day. Hell yeah, let's go right into it, no mumbo jumbo. So I like to work with some triggers and is more practice thing. So let's go for step by step. If you can do this, you can do that. That's the thing. First of all, you need to understand that we have two ways of flowing air out of our body. So the first one, that it is kind of when we are cleaning our glasses and we do this. You see that warm air coming out of your body, and that means that your vocal folds are open, so the air is getting out directly inside your body. That's why it's warm. And the other way is when we are calling someone from a distance. Hey, hey, oh, oh, hey, hey, you motherfucker, hey. You see that I'm not using hey, hey, you, ha, ha. So we have these two types. We're gonna use this one that hey, 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 we are calling someone in a faraway distance, but we will put a lot of support in there. And the idea of putting support, and imagine that you are in a pool, inside a pool, and you are holding air. You are holding air and you try to talk like this. Hey, hey, you are holding air inside your body. In other words, you are holding your own voice. You see that when I prolong a note with this sensation, I can prolong the note. So the idea is the sensation is kind of I'm taking a shit. Come on, take a shit with me, motherfucker. That's the idea. So that's the first step. The second step is let's go for your soft palato. When we do the yam song, that when you are tired, the sound resonance is more in the back of your mouth, because your soft palato is up and there is a lot of space in there. So that's good. When we put too much pressure, the air will flow and not hurt your vocal folds and other things. So that's the idea of where the airflow will go. We'll go for the A vowel. You see my chin a little bit on the front. Hold this note a little bit. Now think about the sensation of holding air. Take a deep breath. Imagine that you are a balloon. Now the sensation of taking a shit. And there it is. Hold it. And then press more your stomach. You feel your muscles here a lot. It's different when we go for the clean note and the distorted one. We felt more strength here. It's different. It's the same note, but our strength will be more concentrated here when we are distorting some notes. So try to hold a little bit. In other words, if I get out of the distortion, this is the idea of I'm doing. You see, there's no warm air. Be careful with the warm air, because the warm air will fuck up your voice very fast. And we have a lot of examples of famous guys that fucked up his voice. That's the distortion and how you can do this. So the idea is holding it, feel the vibration in your body, and of course be careful of not hurting yourself. We got another triggers, another one that I sometimes I use in my classes is when we are trying to clean our throat. So we do this, but let your resonance back in your throat, the soft palatal thing. Exaggerate this sound. For example, in high notes, the tempo will be different. Rock and roll! In the lower ones, will be more like that. So you see there's a lot of different tempers and still the same structure that is vibrating. And another thing that I want to say for you, that when we see one motherfucker doing it, someone famous, some singer that we like, we always thought that he's throwing out his air at once, but it's not. And another thing that I want to say, you need to be very, very relaxed in these positions. The strength will be just here in your breath system. In other words, this feeling of holding, but here you need to be very, very relaxed. So, do you want to understand more about vocals? Get a free trial of my course right now, link below. And it's made by a guy that sucks in school. In other words, there's no mumbo jumbo thing. It's very practice. And it's similar to a big man's world with a Jim Carrey touch and a lot of rock and roll and heavy metal too. See you there. Hell yeah.